How to monetize what you know and build income beyond a paycheck. Ladies and gentlemen, most people believe income only comes from a job. You go to work, you give your time, you receive a paycheck, and then you repeat that cycle for 30 or 40 years. But today, I want to challenge that belief. Your paycheck is not your only source of income. Your knowledge is. Everything you've learned from your job, your struggles, your hobbies, your failures has value. The question is, will you turn that value into income, or will you let it sit unused inside your head? Look at people like Warren Buffett. Yes, he invests in companies, but before he ever made billions, he invested in knowledge. He read constantly. He studied businesses deeply. His wealth was built on what he knew and how he applied it. Knowledge becomes powerful when it is packaged, shared, and multiplied. Let me explain. A paycheck is linear. You work 1 hour, you get paid for 1 hour. But monetized knowledge is scalable. You create something once, and it can pay you again and again. Think about Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That book was based on lessons he learned about money. He turned financial education into a product. One idea became millions of copies sold around the world. He didn't trade hours for money. He turned ideas into assets. And you can do the same. You may not be a famous investor or best-selling author, but you know something valuable. Maybe you understand budgeting. Maybe you know how to repair motorbikes. Maybe you know how to trade gold or stocks. Maybe you understand discipline, leadership, parenting, cooking, or communication. The marketplace rewards solutions. If your knowledge solves a problem, it can become income. Today, technology has removed excuses. Platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Udemy allow anyone to teach, share, and build an audience. You don't need permission, you need courage. Step 1. Identify what you know that others struggle with. Ask yourself, what do people often ask me for help with? What problems have I solved in my own life? What skills have I built over time? Step 2. Package it. Knowledge can become online courses, ebooks, coaching services, YouTube channels, consulting, digital products, workshops. When you package knowledge, you turn it into an asset, and assets create freedom. A paycheck gives you income. Assets give you options. This is how you move from employee thinking to owner thinking. An employee asks, how can I earn more hours? An owner asks, how can I create something that earns without my presence? This is not about quitting your job tomorrow. It's about building something alongside your job. Even 1 hour per day can change your future. 1 hour to write, 1 hour to record, 1 hour to teach, 1 hour to build. Consistency beats talent. Small daily actions beat big temporary motivation. At first, you may earn nothing. You may upload videos and get 10 views. You may write posts and receive no comments. You may create a course and sell 0 copies. But remember this, every expert was once unknown. The difference between those who succeed and those who quit is patience. Income beyond a paycheck is not built in weeks. It is built in years. But here's the beautiful part. Once it grows, it doesn't stop when you stop working. Imagine waking up and seeing income from something you created months ago. That is power. That is leverage. That is freedom. And freedom is not about being rich. It's about control. Control over your time, control over your choices, control over your future. Your job can fund your present, but your knowledge can fund your future. Stop underestimating what you know. You have survived challenges others are still facing. You have learned lessons others need to hear. You have skills others are willing to pay for. Don't wait to feel ready. Start small, start imperfect, start scared, but start. Because the world does not pay you for what you know, it pays you for what you share. Turn your experience into education. Turn your skills into solutions. Turn your knowledge into assets. And one day, your paycheck will no longer be your limit. It will just be your beginning. Thank you.